2005 Chevy Express 3500 4.8 engine. This cargo van had a problem with knock sensors. We replaced them a few times with different brands, and the problem, according to this scope, was that the ground here on this side of the van and the other ground that is here probably were loose or was not making a good ground. But after replacing the knock sensors a few times and checking with the scope that it was not measuring anything, we decided to make this small video, and I'll show you what it does now. Now, according to the scope, the knock sensors are working and everything was related with the background. So this video is for the folks that are having problems with knock sensors with the Chevy Express or GMC or any Chevrolet truck, that after you replace the harness and the sensors, you still getting the problems, still getting the codes for knock sensors. Again, we're going to start the engine. You will see how beautiful the knock sensors are working now. We just connected this scope to the pins, pin 11 and pin 51 on the first connector. The diagram of the knock sensors. The knock sensor that we are using now from the dealer, this one has this resistance. The range should be between 97 and 107 kilo ohms. We know that they are brand new. The harness is brand new. We measure also continuity from the computer all the way to the connector, the sensors. Everything was good, but the computer was not reading the sensors because there was a background. So I hope this video helped you if you're having the same problem that I had.